Well, folks, all I can say is buyer beware. Not too long ago, I did a video about these car warranty protection services. They'll fix your car, you pay them every month, and then they'll fix your car when it goes bad. Here's another one, Cars Protection Plus. I am not a member. I do not pay for this, but it was interesting to me, so I did a little quick research to find out if they were anything like CarShield. So here's the main website talking about their protection and warranties and all this. And if you look down there, it's pretty decent 5-star and a 4-star reviews for it. But all I can say, folks, is buyers beware. Do a little internet research. So let's go over here. I typed it into Google. There's Cars Protection Plus, and over here to the right side you can see the Google review numbers right there. 2.5 stars out of 262 Google reviews. To me, personally, my opinion, that's a big old red flag. Let's go a little further. Let's actually look at some of these Google reviews, and it's not too good. So at the very top, person named Kelly, 1 star. I purchased a vehicle and paid good money for warranty that I can't even use. Not only will they not help me locate a dealership or shop that can work on my vehicle, but they were rude and nasty with me. That's not good. And if you go down here just a little bit further, here's a guy, Walter Kopech. Now, he's a local guy. That means he has done a lot of reviews. And usually when you see a local guide, those reviews, because they have established a trust with Google, these are, show up near the top. And here's a guy that gave Cars Protection Plus a 1 star. We bought this warranty plan for our Volkswagen Tiguan. We had to use the warranty for a water pump, rear main seal, and timing cover. The company said they would only cover the water pump. They would not even cover the other repairs. The repair work cost $1,500. The company only paid $300. Do not purchase this warranty. They are a horrible company. So let's take it one further. Let's go to Better Business Bureau. Now right here, 118 complaints against Cars Protection Plus. Folks, do your research. I'm not going to go through here and read all of these, but it's not good. It's not good. I would be very wary against sending a company like this my money when there's just so much bad stuff about them. With just a little research, you can find it. So if you're thinking about Cars Protection Plus, I'll leave some links in the description to these things I've shown you. And like I said before, buyer beware.